Now finally, Sputnik vaccine has arrived in Delhi, and in the Batra hospital of national capital it has been administered, and this will be the first hospital in national capital which will provide you the third option apart from Covishield and Covaxin to get yourself vaccinated through Sputnik, which is a Russian vaccine, obviously. And this is the first lot which is waiting for getting themselves vaccinated by the Russian vaccine. I will take you inside where actually the vaccine is being administered and why a long wait for many of them who do not want to get themselves vaccinated either by the Covaxin or Covishield is finally ending. And you can see that how the Sputnik is being administered by the medical staff at this hospital. And this is obviously a unique vaccine because it has a high efficacy rate, and that's why people are opting for it as well. We have with us the MD of the hospital, Dr. SCL Gupta. Dr. Gupta, why do you think that this was the most awaited vaccination drive by the Sputnik vaccine, which people are waiting for now?
See, first thing, everybody tries to get that which one is the maximum effective. With which vaccine you will be getting the maximum benefit. Yani, if you are spending money, naturally you want the return also. After paying 1145 rupees, and you are getting a coverage of 91.4, equivalent to about 92% efficacy of the vaccine. And if you go through the best of the best vaccine in the world, Moderna, Pfizer, whatever vaccines are available, their efficacy is around this only.
So you are providing the best facilities.
Yes, we are providing the best vaccine, we are providing the best facilities, you can see, and of course, in a small price.
Yeah, and you can show us the vials also, because people must be interested that how this vaccine is different.
This is a little different vaccine.
Yeah.
Here, you have to keep it in a maintaining the cool chain, and you have to preserve this in a minus 20 degree temperature. Now, and this is very important to maintain the cool chain, because this is a freeze-dried vaccine. SOPs of this vaccine is very important because you cannot keep outside. Immediately after, within half an hour, you have to consume it. So that is why we have created an SOP that we will be getting first 5 persons collected here. Then only we will bring the 5 doses of vaccine, because you see, this is a 5 ampules in one pack.
Okay.
We'll keep it here. We have to consume within half an hour, because बाहर निकलते ही, और इसको हमें ऊपर नीचे भी नहीं करना है, इसको हम सिर्फ यूं करके अपने बॉडी टेम्परेचर से थॉ कराते हैं, जिससे ये लिक्विफाई हो जाता है, और आधा घंटे के अंदर हम इसको.
And one more thing, how there are talks that only one dose of this vaccine will be required. So,
no, this is again a double dose vaccine. First dose, after 3 weeks you will be giving the second dose. Separate vaccine, Sputnik Light, is awaited. This is in an experimental stage, and trials are going on even in my hospital too. And I think this will be available by February, March. So that will be for a 1 dose only. Here, today we will give the dose 1.
And how this second dose is different from the other vaccines, like Covaxin and Covishield is being administered earlier as well. How these vaccines are different from these two?
Is second dose is a different dose. Like, unlike other vaccines where you are vaccinating with the same particular strain. Here is a unique choice and unique idea by the manufacturers, because they cover it, because virus mutates every 11 days. Every 11 to 15 days, structure little bit changes. So give antibodies, practically all the strains is only possible if you are covering it maximum. And that is why their first and second dose strains are different here. And that may be the reason for 91.4% efficacy of the vaccine.
And that's how it is different from Covishield and Covaxin, that you have to take 2 doses, no doubt about that. But the first dose and second dose are different, unlike the Covishield and Covaxin, which has similar first and second dose. We are having a few persons who have already been vaccinated by Sputnik. Tell us about your experience story. Why you opted for Sputnik?
So because it has less side effects and it has higher efficacy as compared to Covishield and Covaxin.
So you waited for it?
Yes, sir. Just waited for this only Sputnik.
So people are waiting to get themselves vaccinated by Sputnik, and from today onwards, it is available at this hospital, the Batra hospital. We'll talk to a few more persons who have been vaccinated by the vaccine. आपने वैक्सीन लगवाई है?
हाँ जी लगवा ली.
So, how was your experience?
It was good. It was smooth. It was good.
And why you waited for Sputnik?
Actually, I got COVID positive 2 months back. Right, so I had to wait for 2 months, and then I was waiting for Sputnik because the duration is less as compared to Covishield. We don't need to wait much. We can have second dose right after 3 weeks from now. So it was good.
So this is one more advantage, that you can take your second dose just after 3 weeks, and that's why people are opting for it. One thing, the efficacy rate is high. The second thing, you have to wait less for the second dose as well. So now the Sputnik vaccination has started in Delhi, and people are coming in good numbers to get themselves vaccinated by this Russian vaccine. With camera person Premchand Mishra, it's Kumar Kunal for India Today from Delhi.